We are gonna keep the closet series going, and today we're gonna go through all of my jackets. Going strong with the first one that still has tags on it. I don't really have one like this, so we're gonna keep it. It's from Oak and Fort. Next up, we have a camo jacket from Old Navy. It's so comfy and warm. This is a yes. Next up, we have a fuzzy Billabong Sherpa. It's a yes. Next up, we have another Sherpa-y jacket. One is from Cider, and it's very holiday Christmassy. I will absolutely be keeping this, but I think I need to create a winter bin. Okay, I haven't worn this jacket yet, but it's from Addicted. It's an absolute vibe. We're moving into the leather jackets. This one is from Princess Polly. This is my most worn, oversized leather bomber jacket. I'll definitely be keeping it. Another Princess Polly leather jacket. This is a vibe, and I will be keeping it. This is a leather blazer. It's absolutely yes. Another Princess Polly leather jacket. This one's more of like a distressed black. It has the white stitching. I love a good leather jacket. You guys, I don't think I'm getting rid of any of these, but I know you like to see what I have in my closet, so we're gonna keep going. This brown distressed leather jacket from Oak and Fort is so bougie. It has the quilted material inside, so it's super, super warm. It's a yes. So from Princess Polly, so good. It's obviously a yes. This one is so cool. It's from 12th Tribe. It's black and brown with the cream detail. I love 12th Tribe. Another 12th Tribe. This cream one is so unique, and every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. It's like the cream with the white detailing. So good. Okay, this is like a suede bubble jacket. I think we have our first no. Is this a no or is this a yes? I'm gonna put it in the no, but if you guys convince me, I'll hang it back up. This is giving race car. It's cropped. It's a yes. I have had this fringe jacket for so long. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this. I love denim on denim. This is from Aritzia. Quality is amazing. Never getting rid of this. This is the nicest, most affordable jean jacket. It's from TikTok Shop. It's my most worn denim jacket. This one's not going anywhere. This thing's kind of crusty and dusty. Stiff. We have our second no. Like long and boxy. We have our third no. I can't tell if this is fun or cute or if it's tacky and I need it to go away right now. I'm gonna go no for now unless you convince me otherwise. I don't know if I'm loving this. I think this is a no. So cute. Pretty little thing. I love the fun details on it. Yes. We have a denim fringe. This is so fun. I'm absolutely keeping this. All right, you guys, we cleared up some space. I have some no's to add to my donation pile. Let me know if you want me to keep this series going. I have dresses, shirts, hoodies, lots more things I can go through. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.